The final part is done. Look, okay, toe switch is on, power button, key switch. Now watch this. This is gonna be the button for it all. Woo! Look at this. I got my light bar on. Y'all have no idea how excited I am for this now. And my brake lights are on, and it's all working together. That's all we needed. It's crazy that I did all that just for a little bit of light so we can drive at night. Hey, but we can drive at night now. We got a Halloween ride. We can go cruising. I got brake lights. I got my switch panel. And we got a headlight. I don't know. I might be getting good at this. Who knows? Golf cart might burn down. I have no idea. But at the end of the day, it's done. I'm done with it. My kid's definitely about to wake up, so I didn't have much time. So yeah, finally finished. Let's ride.